You don't know. Bad man. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm bringing you guys this look. I don't know, I saw this purpley look on Instagram the other day and I was inspired. I wanted to do a purple look, so I think this is pretty wearable. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and of course, as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below before the video starts. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, so we're gonna be starting with my VDL primer, and this is the Lumilayer Primer. And yeah, I've been loving this primer, guys. I always use it, literally always. So I realized my makeup brushes weren't clean, and I hate that, but a little trick you guys can do is just kind of spray a bit of water on it and kind of, you know, swirl it in a piece of paper, and I swear, like, it cleans them. It's a temporary solution, guys. Clean your brushes though. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and this is the color Coral. I'm using that to correct my dark spots. And guys, like, I don't know if you see it, but I have a little pimple, like an unwanted friend came on my face. But yeah, I'm just applying that with my brush, and I'm just gonna let that sit on my face for a little bit. Now that I'm done applying my color corrector, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. This is the Covergirl Vitalist Elixir foundation in the color 657, and I'm just applying that with my brush and patting it in a little bit with my brush. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge or blender, whatever you want to call it, and just make sure that it's more blended and skin-like. Guys, I used to really like applying my foundation with brushes, and I feel like I'm going more back towards that trend. So yeah, I need to get like better foundation brushes because I don't have any. But yeah, I'm just basically blending my foundation with my sponge right now, and I'm making sure I get like underneath my chin area basically, and just kind of blend that. And I feel like, I don't know, my face is kind of looking a little whitish, but you know, we gon' make it work. We'll make it work. Next, I'll move on to my concealer, and this is the Smashbox concealer. It's the 24-hour flawless concealer, or studio skin concealer, sorry. And this is in the color light warm golden. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Light warm golden or something like that, guys. It will be in the description box because I keep forgetting the name. But yeah, basically I'm just putting that on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow area, underneath my contour and my chin. And I'm just blending everything out with my beauty blender. And I'll go in and blend underneath my eyes with the big beauty blender first, and then I'll use a smaller one to like get into like the middle part closer to my eye, because it works like amazingly, guys. Honestly, you guys need to get these, okay? Then I'm blending everything out and setting my highlighted areas with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Blondie. So, like, guys, I'm really low on this, but I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and this is the medium to tan one. And I'm just using that shade Espresso to contour my face. It's been a while since I've cream contoured, honestly. I just prefer powder contour nowadays. So now I'm moving on to my brows, and I'll be using the NYX's micro brow pencil in the shade Espresso, of course. And I'm just going to outline my brows first, and once I'm done outlining my brows, I'm going to go ahead and fill them in, and I'm going to correct them with some concealer. Now I'm priming my eyelids with my same Smashbox concealer because I want this color to pop. So yeah, I'm just adding the concealer and I'm gonna blend that in with my mini beauty sponge. So I'll be using my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'll go in with the shade Delirious first, and I'm gonna go in and pack it on a little bit before, and then I'm gonna start swiping. But I'm just gonna repeat that process until I'm satisfied with the color payoff. And guys, I did let my concealer sit a little bit and dry before I started applying these colors, so keep that in mind. Now I am going to go back with my concealer and cut my crease because I did want this look to be more of kind of a cut crease type of look. So I'm just carving out my eyelid area or my crease, whatever, to just yeah, I'm just packing on concealer and basically just carving it out so that that's the area where my eyeshadow is gonna go, and then I'm going back and making sure everything's blended. Next, I'm going in with the shade Faded, and I'm gonna apply that only to the inner part of my eyelid, and yeah, I'm just basically packing that on, and I keep like basically blending it in. And it was a little darker than I was expecting, guys, but in the end I actually liked how it came out. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Sketch, and I'm just basically gonna apply that in on the middle of my eyelid, basically the rest of the area that I didn't apply that other color Faded, and I'm just packing it on and swiping it and making sure that everything is well blended. So you're gonna see me go back and just kind of blend that other color Faded and, you know, the outer area too, because we want this to be seamless, okay? So now I'm gonna move on to mascara, and I'm using the same one I always use because this is bomb, guys. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and yeah, I'm just putting that on my upper and lower eyelids just because I prefer that look. So I'm gonna use the Duo Blush from NICKAK New York, and I'm just patting it in and then blending it out. And a little trick, guys, that I always do, if you want to clean up your eyeshadow and you do your foundation first like me, you can just use a Q-tip. It really actually helps. But anyways, next I'm going in with my Carli Bybel highlighter palette from The Age, and I'm using those three shades I showed you. I'm using the first two to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my chin, and then the other shade is going to go in my inner eye area. So I am going to be applying lashes off camera, but I wanted to show you the packaging, and it came with, you know, a card and even a little brush, you know, to like brush your lashes. But before I apply the lashes, obviously I'm going to set my face with my Hard Candy setting spray, and here are the lashes on me. I forgot to mention these lashes are from Cupcake, Cutie, Mink lashes. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, she was kind enough to send them to me to try on and review for you guys. And yeah, these lashes are really long, but they're in this style Buttercream, and she did give me a code, so if you use the code CongoleseSisters10, then you can, you know, get some coins off. But anyways, I was applying my lips, the Anastasia Beverly Hills liner, and I'm just putting on some gloss. And basically, yeah, all the information is going to be in the description box, and I'm going to go do my hair, guys, and give you guys the final look. So guys, this is the finished look. I really like how it came out, you know, and definitely I think purple was the vibe for this look, and I really like it. And I also like the lashes, you know, like they're very dramatic and very different to what I'm used to, but I think they're perfect if you're like going to an event. They're definitely perfect. Like, you will definitely stop eyes over there, okay? And yeah, but anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. This is more like of a wearable, like colorful look. So I'm trying to bring you guys more wearable, colorful looks, because I know myself, I'm not that a person to wear that much colors, but I've been trying to experience a little bit and experiment some more colorful looks. So I'm trying to bring some more wearable looks, because that's definitely something that I stand for, mostly, I would say. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, comment down below. Let me know what you think. And of course, if you decide to recreate it, please send me your pictures or share them with me on social media. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Ayisamwamba. And of course, I'll definitely see you guys in our next video. And make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. And yeah, I'll just see you guys in our next video. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a good day, guys. Bye.